Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to remove a payment method in Home Depot. Open the website, then click on the option that says My Account. Then a drop-down list will appear. There, you will see a Sign In button. Click on Sign In. Now, enter your email address. Then click on Continue. After that, enter your password. Then click Sign In. Once you're signed in, you will see again an option for My Account. Click on My Account. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for Account Profile. Click on Account Profile. On the left side menu of this page, you will see a section for Account Information. Under Account Information, you will see an option for My Payment Methods. Click on My Payment Methods. Now you will see the list of your payment methods. Click on the Delete option under the payment method you wish to remove. Then a pop-up message will appear asking if you're sure. Also, some reminders are being shown. To proceed, click on Yes, delete it. That's how you remove a payment method in Home Depot. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.